Hello, are you finding it difficult to install WordPress in your cPanel? Don't worry, in this tutorial, I will walk you through how to install WordPress in your cPanel using Softaculous App Installer. My name is Isaac from StormerHost. Let's get started. First, log into your cPanel. Scroll down to the Softaculous App Installer section. Click on WordPress. The Softaculous page with WordPress opens. Click on Install below the WordPress. In the Software Setup section, choose your installation URL, that is, the domain name you want to install your WordPress on. After that, move to the Admin Account section on your right and create your admin username, password, and email. It is highly recommended you change the default admin username and choose a secured password to protect your WordPress website from hackers. Enter your site name and site description under the Site Settings section on your left. Details you provide can be updated later in your WordPress dashboard after installation. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. After the installation, you will receive your administrative URL. That is, the URL you'll be using to log into your WordPress dashboard. Click on the administrative URL under the congratulations message. This logs you in straight to your WordPress dashboard without requesting for password. To access your WordPress dashboard later, simply add /wp-admin to your domain name. In my case, that will be shostdemo.com/wp-admin. This will take you to your login screen where you will enter your username and password. You can check your new website by entering the domain name used for the WordPress installation in your browser. Your WordPress site should be live now. For the second part in this tutorial, I'll walk you through on how to remove your WordPress installation using Softaculous. First, log into your cPanel. After that, scroll down to Softaculous App Installer and click on WordPress. The Softaculous App Installer dashboard shows. Then move the cursor to the menu on your top right corner and click on All Installation icon. This shows a list of your installation detected by Softaculous. Click on Delete or Remove icon in the list of options provided next to the domain you want to remove your installations from. The next page gives you info on what will be removed if you proceed. Please proceed with caution since the next actions are irreversible. Scroll down and click on Remove Installation. Click OK on the prompt. Your installation will be removed after this. You can confirm your installation has been removed by checking the website in your browser. You will see your WordPress is successfully uninstalled. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call us on our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.